What is up everybody, CryptoZeb here and welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to ride the crypto wave to massive gains, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next big opportunity. Also, check Coin Sniper link in description. Listen, the crypto world is a wild ride, right? It's like a bucking bronco on a rocket, constantly moving, constantly changing. But here's the thing, those changes, those cycles, they're not random. They're driven by trends, by tech, by the mood of the market. And once you learn to read the signs, you can predict them, and that's where the real money is made. We're talking accumulation, the smart money moving in early. Then the uptrend, prices soaring, everyone jumping on board. Distribution, the big players taking profits, and then the downtrend. But guess what? That's just the cycle starting again. And right now, we're on the verge of something huge. We're talking about a potential bull run that could dwarf anything we've seen before. And I'm about to show you exactly why, and which altcoins are primed to explode. Make sure you stick around to the end, because I've got a bonus pick that could make you a fortune. First up, we're diving into THETA, the brainchild of the THETA network. This isn't just another crypto project, it's the future of entertainment. THETA is building a decentralized cloud for AI, media, and entertainment. Streaming services, gaming platforms, and social media rely on massive infrastructure. THETA offers a cost-effective solution, rewarding users for sharing bandwidth. With a market cap over $1 billion, THETA is undervalued. This project has real-world utility, a solid team, and a massive market. Disrupting a multi-billion-dollar industry can make serious bank. Remember early YouTube? THETA aims to revolutionize entertainment similarly. I'm betting big on THETA's success. Keep your eyes on THETA. This altcoin is ready to launch. Next up, we're talking about ONDO, the native token of ONDO Finance. Now, if you're serious about crypto, you need to know about DeFi, Decentralized Finance. It's the future of money, and ONDO is building the bridge between traditional finance and this exciting new world. We're talking about an open, decentralized investment bank that's here to shake things up. ONDO connects DAOs, institutions, and everyday investors like you and me to the best DeFi opportunities out there. They're making it easier than ever to access high-yield opportunities, participate in token launches, and manage your crypto assets. With a market cap of $2.85 billion and a current price of around 90 cents, ONDO is another gem that's ripe for explosive growth. As DeFi continues to gain mainstream adoption, ONDO is perfectly positioned to become a major player in this space. This is like investing in the early days of online banking, but on a global scale. DeFi is going to revolutionize the way we think about money, and ONDO is going to be leading the charge. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get in early on a project that's shaping the future of finance. Let's talk about SUI, the native token of the SUI network. This project empowers individuals through digital ownership. SUI is a layer 1 blockchain designed to make digital assets faster, private, secure, and accessible. Imagine having complete control over your digital identity, data, and assets. SUI enables seamless movement of your digital life across platforms without centralized intermediaries. With a market cap of $7.92 billion, SUI is making waves in the crypto space. This project has a bold vision and the potential to revolutionize digital interaction. Imagine owning your social media profile, gaming items, and medical records. That's the future SUI is building, and why I'm excited about this project. Chapter 4, rendering the Metaverse. Next up, we're diving into the world of the Metaverse with THETA, the token powering the Ether cloud. Now, the Metaverse is more than just a buzzword, it's the next evolution of the internet, and Ether is building the infrastructure to make it a reality. We're talking about a decentralized, real-time rendering network that's going to unlock incredible experiences in the Metaverse. Imagine stepping into immersive virtual worlds, attending virtual concerts, even trying on clothes in virtual dressing rooms, all with stunning realism and without lag. With a market cap of $221.02 million and a price of just 3 cents, THETA is seriously undervalued for the potential it holds. As the Metaverse continues to grow and evolve, the demand for Ether's rendering power is only going to skyrocket. This is like investing in the early days of the internet, but for the Metaverse. Ether is building the foundation for a truly immersive and interconnected digital world, and THETA is your ticket to ride this wave of innovation. Chapter 5. Rio, bridging the real and the digital. Now let's talk about Rio, the native token of the Realio network. This project is all about bridging the gap between the real world and the digital world by bringing real-world assets onto the blockchain. We're talking about tokenizing everything from real estate to fine art to intellectual property, making it easier than ever to invest in and trade these assets. RIO is building an interoperable multi-chain ecosystem that's designed to unlock the true potential of real-world assets in the digital age. With a market cap of $14.03 million and a price of 21 cents, RIO is another hidden gem with massive upside potential. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, the demand for platforms like Realio is only going to grow. This is like investing in the early days of e-commerce, but for real-world assets. RIO is at the forefront of a paradigm shift in how we think about ownership and investment, and this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Next up, we're talking about RNDR, the token powering the render network. Now, if you're into gaming, animation, or any kind of 3D content creation, this one's for you. Render is creating a decentralized network of GPUs that's going to revolutionize the way we render 3D content. We're talking about giving artists and creators access to near unlimited rendering power at a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. Render connects artists who need rendering power with individuals and businesses who have idle GPUs to spare, creating a win-win situation for everyone involved. With a market cap of $1.81 billion and a price of $3.49, RNDR is well positioned to capitalize on the explosive growth of the 3D content creation market. As the demand for high-quality 3D content continues to rise, so too will the demand for render's services. This is like investing in the early days of cloud computing, but for 3D rendering. Render is democratizing access to a powerful and expensive technology, and RNDR is your chance to be a part of this revolution. Now let's talk about RVN, the native token of Ravencoin. This project is all about one thing: making it easier than ever to create and transfer assets on the blockchain. Whether you're talking about digital securities, virtual goods, or anything else you can imagine, Ravencoin provides a simple and secure platform for managing it all. We're talking about a peer-to-peer blockchain that's specifically designed for efficiency and security when it comes to asset transfer. Ravencoin cuts out the middleman, giving you complete control over your assets and making it easier than ever to send and receive them. With a market cap of $184.82 million and a price of just $0.012, RVN is seriously undervalued for the utility it provides. As the world moves towards greater adoption of blockchain technology, the demand for platforms like Ravencoin is only going to increase. This is like investing in the early days of email, but for asset transfer on the blockchain. Ravencoin is building the foundation for a more efficient and secure way to manage and transfer assets of all kinds, and RVN is your ticket to join the movement. Finally, let's talk about HYPE, the native token of Hyperliquid. This project is all about speed, scalability, and building the future of decentralized finance. Hyperliquid is a high-performance Layer 1 blockchain that's designed to handle the demands of a rapidly growing DeFi ecosystem. We're talking about a blockchain that can process thousands of transactions per second, making it ideal for high-frequency trading, complex DeFi applications, and anything else that requires lightning-fast execution. Hyperliquid is also incredibly developer-friendly, making it easy for anyone to build and deploy their own decentralized applications. With a market cap of $6.32 billion and a price of $18.92, HYPE is already gaining traction, but it's still early days for this project. As the DeFi space continues to evolve and mature, the demand for high-performance blockchains like Hyperliquid is only going to increase. This is like investing in the early days of the internet, but for decentralized finance. Hyperliquid is building the infrastructure for a faster, more efficient, and more accessible DeFi ecosystem, and HYPE is your chance to be a part of it. There you have it, folks. 8 altcoins that are primed to explode in the coming bull run. These projects are all building innovative solutions to real-world problems, and they're all backed by strong teams and passionate communities. Now, it's important to remember that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. But I truly believe that these projects have the potential to generate massive returns for early investors. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this opportunity to be a part of the next wave of crypto innovation. Get out there, do your research, and get ready to ride the bull run to financial freedom.